Hi, I'm Pranav. I drew a map of India and made a collage on unity in diversity. It was Jawaharlal Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe our country. Our national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, is another expression of the unity of India. So there are 28 states, 8 union territories, many languages, religions, festivals, food, places, cultures, different form of dances. Though we are all one India. Unity in diversity leads to prosperity. India is unique because of our unity in diversity. I am proud to be an Indian, and of course we all are. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.